Hello everyone. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about epithelial tissue, which is from the chapter Animal Tissues. Now coming to the topic, the epithelial tissue is also known as epithelium. The characteristic features of this epithelium is it has free surface, it has little intercellular spaces between the cells, and mostly it provides covering to the body tissues. Next, the types of epithelium tissues are generally they are of two types: simple epithelium and compound epithelium. The simple epithelium is made up of single layer of cells, whereas the compound epithelium is made up of multiple layers of cells. The main function of simple epithelium is they help in the lining of the body cavities, ducts and tubes. When we see a duct or tube, the lining of the tube, the inner lining of the tube or duct is made up of simple epithelium. The types of simple epithelium are squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated and glandular. When we come to compound epithelium, the function of compound epithelium is it provides protection against chemical and mechanical stresses. The best example of compound epithelium is skin. Compound epithelium is also divided into tight junctions, adhering junctions and gap junctions. Let's see one by one. When we come to see squamous epithelium, it is actually called simple squamous epithelium. It is a single layer of flattened cells. As it is a simple epithelium, it is made up of single layer of cells, and those cells are flattened cells. As you can see here, those cells are flattened cells. They have irregular boundaries, means they do not possess a uniformity. They have irregular boundaries, and the function of this is they form a diffusion boundary. What is diffusion? Diffusion means movement of particles. This squamous epithelium plays a role in the movement of particles from cell to the cell. And this squamous epithelium is generally found in walls of blood vessels and air sacs of lungs, where gaseous exchange plays a major role. And then comes the cuboidal epithelium. It is a simple cuboidal epithelium. As it is simple, it is made up of single layer of cube-like cells. And as you can see here, they are cube-like cells arrangement. The function of this cuboidal epithelium is secretion and absorption. Ducts of glands and tubular parts of nephron possess cuboidal cells. This cuboidal epithelium, they help in the absorption of essential particles and elimination of waste. In the kidney, most probably in the proximal convoluted tubule of nephron in the kidney. Next, when we come to columnar epithelium, the simple columnar epithelium have long slender cells. As you can see in this picture, they have long slender cells, and the nuclei is present at the base of the cell, and the free surface may have microvilli. The free surface may possess microvilli, and this microvilli helps in the absorption process. This columnar epithelium is generally found in the lining of stomach and intestine. Next comes the simple ciliated epithelium, where the columnar or cuboidal cells which bear cilia or which have cilia on their free surface are called as ciliated epithelium. The function of the ciliated epithelium is they just move particles or mucus in specific direction over the epithelium, and it is found in the inner surface of hollow organs like bronchioles and fallopian tubes, where the movement of ovum is necessary. Yeah, this is glandular simple epithelium. This is the last type, that is glandular, where some of the columnar or cuboidal cells get specialized for secretions, like they secrete enzymes and hormones into the bloodstream, and those are products, they function or they stimulate the organs to function. The types of glandular epithelium is they can be unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular, as you can see in this first picture, unicellular, only this particular cell is called as a gland. This particular cell itself, it produces the product and it releases. As you can see in the next, it produces the product, and with this the product itself, the cell bursts and releases the product into the bloodstream. So it is called isolated glandular cells. Generally, goblet cells of alimentary canal are of this type. Next, when we come to multicellular glandular, it is a cluster of cells. As you can see in this picture, it is a cluster. These are all the individual cells. These all cells has produced the product here, and this product will be released into the blood stream and shows its action. Generally, salivary glands or multicellular glandular epithelium. On the basis of mode of pouring of the secretion, the glands are of two types. Those are exocrine and endocrine. Exocrine glands are the glands which have ducts or tubes for the secretion. If you take this is a blood stream, the secretion of this exocrine glands will get into the bloodstream through the ducts, through these ducts. Then those glands are called as exocrine glands. If you take the endocrine glands, the particular product is released into the bloodstream without any ducts. As they do not have ducts, they are released directly into the bloodstream, and these products are called as hormones. As these hormones are released directly into the bloodstream, they show rapid action. And when we see the examples of exocrine, they secrete mucus, saliva, earwax, oil, milk, digestive enzymes, and other cell products. The main example for endocrine glands is hormones. So that's all for this session. Thank you.